Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to connect a Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2 with an Android smartphone. First, I'm going to note that I'm using a Samsung Galaxy device right here, and I'm using the SmartThings app downloaded from the Google Play Store. First thing we need to do is make sure the battery is inserted properly. Open the battery slot with the pin that comes with this device, like so, and it should release. Make sure the plus side of the battery faces the microphone right here, like that. When it's closed, you should hear that sound, and right after that we can move on to our smartphone. Open the app, select Add Device, then Samsung Devices, and find your tag. Now we need to take the box that this device came with and scan the QR code on the back. Then we can proceed with adding it. Here are some settings we can adjust: location, room, device name. I'll leave them as they are, but you can adjust them however you like. The first setup is successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and a comment below.